Okay, Andrew, so I'll go ahead and walk you through how to use the vendor side of the application, the actual app. So the way I create it is that they can actually manage their own, they can register themselves. So you can just tell to your vendor, go to my website, click on a register link, and create yourself an account. And very easy to create the account, just your email, password, confirm password, and register. I already registered here with my email, but if you want to play around, you're welcome to go to my dev that I have at the Azure, and I'll send you the link again in email, and you can create a new account for your event, like as a vendor. But you'll be able to create, and the final step is what I'll have is for you, your admin account. That's where you'll go to get your reports. So basically what I have for now, I have the website, and I have built the application that your vendors can use to enter the time for their consultants, that are working for you. So they will go to register. Once they register, they can log in. So once you log in, there's another link. One of the changes is that actually shows you your email up here, your username, and there's another link for vendors that shows up. So when they click on vendors, and I already added this vendor test basically, so this is like their main screen that they will land on, and it's style a little bit different than the website because we don't really want to have too many visual things here. We want it to be more functional. So basically we still have a little logo up here, and then we have three main things that they can do here. They can do the time entry, they can enter their developers, and enter the categories, which are the main categories that developers are working on. So when they go to time entry, basically here it shows them the main screen, and that is the developer name and then a category the developer is working on, week ending, how many hours in development, how many hours maintenance, and how many total hours, so for this developer. So let's say they want to add another entry. So they'll click on this icon here, and that will let them select the employee. Right now I only have John Smith, so where they would enter other developers would be here in developers, so they can add another one. So let's say it's Sam Johnson. So now they have John Smith and Sam Johnson that they can enter the time for. So time entry, Sam Johnson, SAP BI something, and then they would enter week ending here. Let's say it's July 26th, and they can submit. So now they have another guy here, Sam Johnson, that they just added, and then right now they didn't enter any time for it, so there's another icon here for time, and they click on that, and there's nothing here yet, so they click plus, and then they put the description like worked on something, and if it's maintenance they can enter it was like 5 hours maintenance, 0 development hours, and they submit. So 5 hours maintenance, 0 development hours. They can add another task, or they can go back, and now it's showing dev hours 0, maintenance hours, and total hours 5. I also give an option to edit the current one. They can't edit the time though. For time they had to click on, to edit the time they had to click on here. So let's say they change this, so maintenance hours is 10. That would enter it there. So now it's 10 maintenance hours. But here, if they want to add it week ending, or employee, or week, or task, or week ending, they can do it here by using this icon right there. So basically that's how they would enter the time. I try to keep it very simple for them to make it very user friendly, as far as the interface and the way to enter it. Here they would enter the categories, like that SAP BI something category. They can create additional ones, and then since they're repeating, they don't have to enter each one, type each one every time. So let's say I want to go ahead and I have another guy, but it's a different category that we don't have yet. So the first thing they would do is they would add a category here, SAP BI something else. So now they have another category that they can use. So they'd go to time entry, they want to add, let's say John Smith worked on something else, weekend the 26th. So now they have, he worked on something else. And then description of what he worked. And this was 10 hours maintenance, or 10 hours development, and 10 hours development, let's say both. So we have 10, 10, total hours 20, and they won't need to return to the main site, just click on this. If they need to go back to their vendor screen, it's right there, and they can also log out. So you're welcome to go to the registration. You can register and play around with it as a vendor and see the flow of the app and all that. And then the final step that I have is going to be your screen when you log in as an admin, and you're going to have your reports that you need, basically. So I will send you this link, and I hope you like it. And I think even at this point we can probably go ahead and put this in production. You can, and then we can add that final functionality. But I should have the reporting part, like you said, that you asked for, comma delimited, something that we can generate that you can import into your system. We can do that. So I should have that probably by the end of this weekend. Today's the 23rd, so we're probably looking like 29th or 30th. I should have it completely finished. So let me know how you like it, and hope you like it, and hope that we can get it finished and put it out there for the people to use it. Alright, Andrew, thanks. Bye bye.